Today in front of me I have the VIVO Y35, and in this video I would like to demonstrate that you can scan the documents on this device and later transform them into the PDF file. So first of all, you gotta launch the camera, then open the all available camera modes by swiping to the right, going for the more option, and in here tap on the documents mode. Now you gotta lay the document that you are going to scan flat, make sure that it's straightened out, and well, laying flat. And it is not the case on my end, but whatever, we'll do just fine as an example. Now you want for this yellow crop lines to frame the entire document as straight and as correct as possible. Then it will automatically take a picture once it is ready to do that. That's what I've gotten in my case. Now in order to transfer this little photo to a PDF, just tap on the share icon, go for the print option, then tap on this little arrow over there, choose save as PDF option, and now this little document has been successfully saved as PDF to the files. So let me just open them. I'll go into the downloads, and here it is. For some reason it is in JPEG format, excuse me, but it really should be in the PDF. Maybe I've opened the wrong image or wrong file, which does not seem like a case, so let me just resave it real quick. Already, I forgot one very important thing. So once you have chosen the save as PDF option from over here, just tap this little blue circle, choose where you would like to save it to, and then tap on the save option. And once we'll open up the files again, we'll see that this little file has been successfully added as the PDF document. Alrighty, so that would be it for this video, guys. Thank you so much for watching. Thank you so much for your attention, and bye bye.